Hi everyone, welcome to another video and happy Sunday. Today's video is going to be about Ekam Fruit Splash 256 gram 3 wick premium scented soya wax candle. So let's get started. The price of this candle is 800, but you can get it for 650 on Ekam, and sometimes you can even get it at cheaper price. Sometimes they have like a buy one get one stuff running, just like Bath and Body Works. They have a lot of offers running on their websites, so you can definitely check out for offers and sale prices and stuff. So this comes in a glass jar, and it has a plain black tin lid. All Ekam candles I think come with the same black tin lid and beautiful jars. This candle has a wraparound sticker, and as you can see, the sticker is all fruity because, as the name says, it's a fruit splash candle. So you can see some strawberries, you can see a slice of lemon and pineapples and stuff. Kind of gives me tropical vibes, to be honest. It's like, you know, you're sitting on a beach enjoying like a fruit drink. Kind of has a lot of tropical vibes, honestly, and it's a straight up fruit splash candle, as the name says. So the notes on this candle are, the top notes are fresh, green, citrus and floral and papaya. The mid notes are berry, orange, lemon and fig, and the base notes are musky, vanilla and fruity. So this is a straight up fruity candle. I am able to pick up mostly all these fruity fragrances like berry, lemons, figs, papayas. This candle has 40% fruity fragrance, 30 musk. It has 15% floral, 10% citrus and 5% green notes in this. So definitely, yes, like I said, I'm able to pick up the fruity notes in this, very strong fruity notes, and it's a straight up fruit candle, you guys. Basically, it's just like a cocktail of fruits. So the scent is really nice. I'll come to the scent in a second. To be honest, I'm not picking up any musky notes in this, which is weird because musky notes are the second highest notes in this candle, which is 30%. I'm not able to pick up those musky notes, but I'm definitely picking up floral, fruity, citrus, and those green notes. Maybe the freshness from this candle is what is the green notes. So definitely picking up all those, but yeah, no musky notes for me. This is my first burn of this candle, and I've been burning this for over an hour, almost hour and a half now, and this is what the status of the wax is. You can see the wax has not really pulled out completely from this edge out here, and also a little bit along this edge it has not pulled out. So yeah, that's the only disappointing thing that I'm seeing in this candle, that the wax has for some reason not pulled out. I didn't have to trim the wicks. The wicks were, I thought, normal size, so I didn't trim it and I lit the candle immediately. And the flames are, as you are seeing, they are not super high or they are not super low. They are small flames, not even medium. They are like small flames. This is a straight up fruit candle. I'm picking up a lot of fruitiness, a lot of zestiness, like a citrusy notes, as it already has citrus notes in it. So I'm picking up all of those notes. It's a very fresh fruity candle, fresh, sweet, fruity candle. It does have, like I said, citrusy elements which cuts through the sweetness, so it's not over the top sweet candle, which I'm not a fan of. Like, मुझे नहीं पसंद है over the top sweet candles. मुझे थोड़ी fragrances में थोड़ा सा मुझे freshness पसंद आता है, which even in florals, if it is very sweet, I don't like it. But this one does have that element in it, so which is excellent because it at least gives me, you know, I can enjoy this candle. Ekam actually categorizes this fragrance under the strong category. Not exactly for me. This is definitely on a higher side, but I would really not, you know, call it a strong fragrance. To me, a strong fragrance has to be like strong fragrance. This slightly misses that mark, but it's definitely not a mild or a medium fragrance. It's kind of on a higher side, but there's a very fine line between high and strong, and this kind of comes under the high category for me. The throw is pretty good of this candle. it's a good candle throw. I was able to smell it all in my living room. I was also able to smell a bit of this in the other bedroom, which is just adjoining to the living room. When I just went into that room for some work, I could get the fragrance of this candle. So yeah, the throw is pretty good. I would give it a good 8 on 10, as my living room is not a small one. It's not a big huge living room, but yes, it's a very considerable size living room, and if I'm able to smell it inside of it, yeah, then that means the candle has a good throw. So I would give it about a 8 on 10. The only disappointment for me for this candle is that the wax is not pulling out completely. That's like a bummer, but other than that, yes, this candle is good. It's a good fruity fragrance. It's very like the brand says, it's uplifting. Kind of agree with them. Yes, it is an uplifting fragrance because it's so fruity. Like I said, it kind of you know, gives those tropical vibes. So it's pretty much an uplifting and a nice fresh fragrance. They also call it zesty because of the citrus element. So yes, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and yeah, it's a good fragrance. So if fruits are your vibe, if you love fruity sweet fragrances, if that's what a good fragrance means to you, then this candle is right up your alley. So yes, definitely check this out. I would recommend it, and for 640 rupees, that's a steal deal, honestly. If you want to purchase this candle, the link will be in the description box. And yep, that's all for today's video. I really hope that you have enjoyed this video, found it helpful. If you have, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next Sunday. Till then, all of you take care, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.